Make yourself comfortable and let your hands rest gently on your thighs. And if it feels okay, just allow your eyes to close gently. Take a slow breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. As you breathe, allow yourself to arrive. Not where you think you should be, but exactly where you are. There's nothing to fix in this moment, nothing to catch up on, nothing to prove. Just this breath, just this body, and just this moment. And now, bring your awareness to the base of your body, your feet, your legs, your hips. Imagine your body becoming a little heavier, a little more grounded, as if the earth itself is holding you. With each exhale, let your nervous system receive this message. I am supported. I don't need to rush. And if you have been feeling lost or unsure, or like you have found yourself back at a familiar place again, let this land softly. This is not a step backward. Now, imagine standing in a familiar place in your life, a feeling, a pattern, a crossroads you have encountered before. Notice how you are meeting it differently now. You are older, wiser, more resourced. You may still feel uncertain, but yet there's more space around it, more awareness, more choice. And just ask yourself inwardly, what am I noticing now that I couldn't see before? There's no need to answer with words. Just notice what shifts in this moment, what softens, and what feels a little clearer. Now, bring to mind something you have been carrying that no longer feels aligned to who you are becoming. Perhaps it might be an outdated role, a belief that you have outgrown, a version of yourself that learned to survive, not to be fully alive. Notice where this lives in your body. And on the next exhale, imagine gently placing it down. No force, no rejection, no judgment, just simply acknowledging. Thank you for what you taught me. I no longer need to carry you. Say it gently to yourself and feel the space that opens when you release what no longer resonates in your path of becoming, even if it's subtle, even if it's quiet. Now, perhaps begin to sense a new energy begin to stir within you. Not loud, not rushed. It's not demanding, but it's a steady, grounded kind of energy that feels true. The energy of moving forward at your own pace, of trusting your instincts, of choosing honesty over urgency. Imagine this energy settling into your chest, your spine, your legs, supporting you to move without forcing, without abandoning yourself. You don't need to see the entire path ahead. You just need to see the next honest step forward. Let these words settle within you. I trust my movement. I trust my timing. I'm allowed to move forward as myself. I trust my movement. I trust my own timing, and I'm allowed to move forward as myself. Now, take one more slow breath in and a longer breath out, and feel the ground beneath you, the support around you. And remember, you're not behind, you're not lost, you are just remembering yourself, layer by layer. Whenever you're ready, you may gently open your eyes and carry this sense of steadiness within you into the days ahead.